Have you ever thought about starting your own blog or website? Imagine having your very own corner of the internet, a platform where you can express your thoughts, share your expertise, or perhaps promote a business. Sounds exciting, right? Well, today, we're going to break down the process of setting up a blog or website into simple, manageable steps. It's easier than you might think. So buckle up and let's embark on this digital journey. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to start your own blog or website. The first step is choosing the right platform for your site. This choice is pivotal, as the platform you choose will serve as the foundation of your website. It's like the soil in which you plant your ideas. The quality and suitability of this soil will significantly influence the growth and development of your site. Now, there are two main types of platforms to consider: self-hosted and free options. Self-hosted platforms give you more control and flexibility, but they come with a cost. On the other hand, free platforms are budget-friendly and easy to use, but they may limit your control and customization options. Popular platforms that you might consider include WordPress, known for its versatility, Blogger, praised for its simplicity, and Wix, loved for its user-friendly interface. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all platform. Your choice should align with your needs, objectives, and technical prowess. Choosing the right platform is crucial, as it will be the foundation of your website. Scene script. Next, you'll need to pick a domain name for your site. This is no small task. Your domain name is your digital address, the online nameplate that tells the world who you are and what you're about. It's the way that people will find you on the vast expanse of the internet, so it's crucial to choose wisely. So what makes a good domain name? Well, it should be memorable and easy to type. Avoid complicated spellings or unusual words. You want something that rolls off the tongue and sticks in the mind. Consider using keywords related to your content. This can help with search engine optimization, making your site easier to find. It's also a good idea to choose a domain name that's relevant to your brand or the topic of your site. This helps to instantly communicate what your site is about to visitors. And remember, shorter is usually better. Long domain names can be difficult to remember and type correctly. Once you've chosen your perfect domain name, you'll need to register it. There are many online services that can do this for you, often for a small yearly fee. Simply search for your chosen domain name, and if it's available, you can buy it right there and then. Remember, your domain name is a key element of your online identity. It's the first impression many visitors will have of your site, so make it count. A catchy and memorable domain name can help your site stand out in the crowd. Now that you have your domain, it's time to set up your website. So where do we start? The first step is to install the platform on your domain. This might sound technical, but it's often as simple as clicking a button in your hosting control panel. Most hosting providers offer one-click installations for popular platforms like WordPress. Once the platform is installed, it's time to choose a theme for your website. This is the fun part. The theme determines the look and feel of your website. So, you'd want to choose a theme that aligns with your brand or the subject of your blog. There are thousands of free and premium themes available, so take your time and pick one that truly resonates with your vision. Next, you'll want to create a menu. A menu is like a roadmap to your website. It helps visitors navigate your site and find what they're looking for. To create a menu, you'll need to go to your website's admin area, find the menu option, and start adding items. These items could be pages, categories, or custom links. Speaking of pages, it's now time to add some to your website. The number of pages you need will depend on the nature of your website. However, there are a few pages that almost every website needs. These include a home page, about page, contact page, and blog page. To create a page, you'll need to go to your website's admin area, find the Pages option, and click Add New. Remember, each page on your website should serve a clear purpose. For instance, your home page should immediately convey what your website is about, your About page should tell your story or your company's story, and your contact page should make it easy for people to get in touch with you. The setup process may seem daunting at first, but with a bit of patience, you'll have your website up and running. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So start small, keep learning, and before you know it, you'll have a website that you're proud of. With your website set up, it's time to start creating content. Now, the heart of any website or blog is its content. This is the meat and potatoes, the substance, the very reason why people will visit your site. Think about it. When you go online, you're not just aimlessly clicking around. You're searching for something, seeking information, entertainment, or perhaps a bit of both. That's where high-quality content comes in. creating high-quality content is key to attracting and retaining your audience. But what does high quality actually mean? It means content that's informative, engaging, and valuable to your readers. It's content that answers their questions, solves their problems, entertains them, or simply gives them something interesting to think about. But how do you write engaging blog posts? Well, it starts with knowing your audience. Understand their interests, their pain points, their desires. Then craft your content around these elements. Use a conversational tone as if you're chatting with a friend over a cup of coffee. Break up your text with subheadings, bullet points, and short paragraphs to make it easy to read. Add a dash of humor or personal anecdotes to make your content more relatable. Don't forget to proofread your work. Spelling and grammar errors can undermine your credibility and distract from your message. Also, consider using a tool like Grammarly to help catch any mistakes you might have missed. And let's not forget about visuals. Images and videos are a fantastic way to enhance your content and keep your readers engaged. They can help explain complex concepts, add interest to your posts, and even boost your SEO. Just make sure any visuals you use are relevant to your content and of high quality. In the end, creating content is about providing value to your audience. It's about building a relationship with them, establishing trust, and becoming a source they can rely on for quality information or entertainment. Remember, content is king. Make sure your content is informative, interesting, and engaging. After all, it's not just about attracting visitors to your site, but about keeping them coming back for more. Now that you have some content, it's time to promote your website. Promotion is the crucial next step in making your website a success. It's one thing to have a website filled with fantastic content, but it's another to get people to see it. Here are a few strategies that can help. First, let's talk about social media. It's a powerful tool that can extend your reach far beyond your immediate circle. You can share your content on platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn to gain visibility. You can also engage with your audience, join groups or forums related to your niche, and participate in discussions. Be sure to share your website regularly, but remember, it's not all about promotion. Engage, participate, and build relationships, and the promotion will naturally follow. Next on the list is SEO, or search engine optimization. This is the process of optimizing your website so that it ranks higher in search engine results. This includes using relevant keywords in your content, optimizing your images, and creating quality backlinks. It's a complex process, but there are plenty of resources available online to help you understand and implement it. Keep in mind, SEO is a long-term strategy, and it takes time to see results, but it's absolutely necessary for increasing your website's visibility. Lastly, consider guest blogging. This involves writing articles for other blogs in your niche. It's a great way to reach a wider audience, establish yourself as an expert, and create backlinks to your website. When choosing blogs to guest post on, look for ones that have a good reputation and a large, engaged audience. Reach out to them with a well-crafted pitch and offer high-quality, valuable content. Remember, building an audience takes time. It's not an overnight process. You need to be persistent, patient, and consistent. Keep putting out great content, keep promoting, and eventually you'll start to see your audience grow. Promoting your website is an ongoing process, but it's well worth the effort. Congratulations, you're now ready to start your own website or blog. Let's take a moment to recap the journey we took together. We started by choosing the right platform, a crucial step that sets the foundation for your website or blog. Then we moved on to picking a memorable domain name, your unique address on the internet. Afterwards, we entered the exciting phase of setting up your website, where we customized it to reflect your personality and your brand. Of course, a website is nothing without content, so we dived into creating engaging and interesting pieces to attract and retain your audience. Finally, we discussed promoting your website. Remember, it's all about getting your website out there, reaching your target audience, and engaging with them. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve.